Hi, my name is Ilma and welcome to my channel. I've been posting Christian blogs 12 straight years every day. Today I'd like to share Proverbs 6 verses 6 to 11. Here is the word of God. Go to the ant, O sluggard, consider her ways and be wise. Without having any chief officer or ruler, she prepares her bread in summer and gathers her food in harvest. How long will you lie there, O sluggard? When will you arise from your sleep, a little slumber, a little folding of the hands to rest, and poverty will come upon you like a robber, and want like an armed man. Here's my commentary. Here's my poem. The value of hard work. Those who walk in the ways of the Lord perseveres and work hard. They work tediously because they know God will grant them fruits. Those who are lazy will have no fruit awaiting them. They avoid doing anything hard. They'd rather lie down. Here's my commentary. Solomon gives us a lesson on hard work. He gives the ant as a perfect model for work. According to pestworld.org, ants can lift 10 to 50 times their body weight. Because ants are so small, their muscles are thicker relative to their body mass than in larger animals. This allows ants to carry objects much heavier and bigger than them. To put it into perspective, if humans could lift 10 times their weight, a 200-pound man could lift a small car above his head. Ants are very social insects and they divide jobs among different types of ants in each colony. The queen or queens have only one job, to lay eggs. All other female ants are workers. They feed the larvae, take out the colony's trash, forage for food and supplies, or defend the nest. Male ants' only job is to mate with the queen. No wonder Solomon uses ants as examples for hard work. He reiterates more lessons on hard work in Proverbs 13 verse 4, where sluggards get nothing but the diligent is richly supplied. The gardeners toil hard and God blesses them with the fruits of their labor. Reflection. Why do you think some people think that they do not have to work hard? I think those people with this kind of mindset have the entitled mindset, where they think others have to do things for them and that they do not have to do anything. They are entitled probably because they were brought up that way. Most people who have everything given to them on a silver platter would not want to do anything because they're used to it. Sadly, there are few exemptions to this because I know other people who are rich who are very hardworking as well. But there are some of the children of the rich are so entitled that all their parents did all the hard work and they did nothing. So some people have that tendency because probably their parents did not give them strict boundaries about what their responsibilities are and what are they're supposed to expect if they do not work. So it's important for us to recognize our responsibility and our roles in life, because if we do not follow through with the responsibilities that are given to us by God, then we are not going to bear fruit. In other words, with hard work, it equivalents to bearing fruits from the Lord. So if we don't work hard, how are we going to eat? How are we going to live a life that is productive? So thanks for watching. I hope you found the value of hard work in this video, and I hope that you will heed the advice of Solomon to work hard like the ants do. Thanks for watching. Check my website at ILMA'S.com for artworks, photographs, and a copy of this blog. Please subscribe to my channel on YouTube so I can make more videos and give you the Word of God. And if you haven't already, check over 3,000 videos I've done over the years I've been doing this. Just type on Google or YouTube search ILMA'S Poem Devotional. Have a wonderful day.